Hello everyone. Myself Rishikesh Jadhav of class 9 from Jindal Vidya Mandir, Vinayakvadi, Ratnagiri. Today I am going to share a report of COVID-19 through idioms, proverbs and sayings. Objectives are to acquaint to some idioms, proverbs and sayings, to show one of the application of idioms, proverbs and sayings, to share information related COVID-19 and to develop an interesting report.
Birth of COVID 19. Coronavirus or COVID 19 was born in the wet markets of Wuhan, China. As there is a famous saying that don't kill the goose which lays golden eggs. Human beings killed many wild animals and birds, and which were later sold in the wet markets. It disturbed the ecosystem. We should remember, don't bite more than what we can chew. There are theories which says that the virus from bat came into pangolin and then into human beings. Coronavirus or COVID-19 is a type of virus which infects the lungs and immune system of human beings, and if a person has a weak immune system or any lung related problem, then that person will be at a higher health risk. How it spread in China. Spread of the virus in China followed the rule first come first serve. The first known case of coronavirus was found in Wuhan, China in December 2019. Wuhan was badly affected due to this virus, and within a short span of time it started spreading to different areas of China like a wildfire. Good deeds never leave home. Bad ones echoes for 1,000 miles. The virus would not have spread worldwide if the Chinese government would have paid attention towards it. The Chinese were least concerned towards COVID 19 as it was not a disease of concern in their list. Better to say a disease not in the list of disease at all at that time. How it spread worldwide. The spread started in China and soon it became an ongoing worldwide pandemic. COVID 19 has caused a serious impact on almost every society of the earth. If human beings will hurt nature, then the nature will hurt humans. The World Health Organization has declared it as a global pandemic due to the problems caused by this disease throughout the world. Because of its rampant spread, countries were forced to stop international traveling as well as seal their borders. It is said that the secret of change is to focus all your energy not on fighting the old but on building the new. The lockdown has been recognized as the only method to stop the spread of COVID 19, and almost every country has adopted this method. How it affected India. The first known case of COVID 19 in India came into light on February 2020. The Indian government started their first lockdown in March 2020 to stop the spread of virus. Amidst the lockdown in Indian society, multiple issues related to social, educational, economical, political, agricultural, psychological levels and many more has been recognized, which has created the devastating impact on the lives of people. When life doesn't get easier or more forgiving, we need to get more stronger and resilient. The greatest lesson of COVID 19 taught humanity is that we are all in this together, and put the modified version of the age old proverb, united we stand, divided we fall, to divided we stand, united we fall. Vaccine. To bring this pandemic to an end, a larger share of the world needs to be immune to the virus. It is rightly said that for defeating an evil, there is always a good. In today's time, evil is coronavirus and good are scientists, doctors, and vaccines. Vaccines are the remedy that humanity has often relied on in the past to bring down the death toll of infectious disease. Within less than 12 months after the beginning of COVID-19 pandemic, several research teams rose to the challenge to develop vaccines that will protect from COVID-19. It is rightly said that science is a blessing for those who knows it. 4 to 5 months ago, the whole world wanted vaccine to fight against COVID-19, and scientists all over the world were working hard for it. Now, we have many vaccines like Covaxin, Covishield, Coronavax, Sputnik 5, etc. Thanks to the committed work of the scientists all over the world. Safe and effective vaccine will be a game changer. But for the foreseeable future, we must continue wearing masks, physical distancing, and avoid being in crowd. Many people assume that after they get vaccinated, they don't need to wear masks and follow the COVID protocols. These people, please understand that a little knowledge is dangerous. Being vaccinated does not mean that we can throw caution to the wind and put ourselves and others to danger, as it is still not clear the degree to which the vaccines can protect not only against diseases but also against infection and transmission. What is our learning? Maintaining a good hygiene is crucial. The reaffirmation of the importance of hand washing is one of the biggest takeaway of COVID-19 crisis. It is truly said that good health is something we cannot buy. COVID-19 pandemic has taught us that our health is very much important in today's life and we should take care of it. From the beginning of COVID-19 outbreak, one measure which the world knows and is effective against coronavirus is washing hands regularly with soap or sanitizer and water. Importance of coexisting with planet Earth. Humans being have really destroyed the equilibrium of planet Earth. Climate experts have been warning about the threats to the environment and climate change for some time, but they have largely been ignored. We should keep this in mind that Earth is the only thing which we have in common and we should preserve it. When the lockdown took place and immediately the positive signs of reduced human activity manifested itself in clean blue skies, the fresher air, and cleaner waters in the river, resurfacing of dolphins from areas they had disappeared from, and even rapid healing of the depleting ozone layer. It was a sign of how much damage man was doing to the life on Earth. We should safeguard our Mother Earth. Never doubt that a small group of thoughtful, committed citizens can change the world. Indeed, it is the only thing that ever has. Jai Hind.